Okay, this Golf 5 GTI is come in for it basically switches off whenever you come to a stop. The idling is quite high and there's a noise on the engine. So let me just show you what the symptoms are, like some of them. Just start it up. The mileage is quite high on this one, but the engine was replaced previously. Mileage is now 352, but I think the old engine was replaced at 225 or something like that. Yeah, the engine's quite rowdy. Idles at above 1000 RPM. Okay, doing a quick scan with the VCDS, we see that it comes up with this fault here: engine speed sensor, no signal. So that would explain why the car's idling so high. We're gonna check what's causing the rowdiness though, but this definitely is the cause of the car idling high, because it's now taking the signal from the cam sensor instead of the crank sensor. Okay, so the noise sounds like it's coming from the timing chain area, which is this side. The cam belt is on that side, the timing chain is on this side on this model. So I went ahead and took the fuel pump off, high pressure fuel pump, to check the follower, because the follower is a wear item on these engines. And if you have a look there, you can see the anti-friction coating is basically all worn away. So we're gonna replace this thing as a maintenance item, but it hasn't broken yet, so that's not the actual cause of the noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the timing chain cover now, and we can inspect the timing. We've got the timing chain cover off now, and if I zoom in, try to go in here, you can actually see, I don't know if you can see on camera, but the tensioner, the bottom part of the tensioner, which is also the chain guide, the guide section of it actually broke off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the chain guide off, then we can actually see a bit closer how the thing actually broke off. There is no service interval for this timing chain, but generally we do replace them when they start getting a bit noisy, and this is most of the time the cause of the noise, the guide breaking off. Okay, now I've got the chain off. You can see where the tensioner actually broke off there on that corner. It's supposed to look like this side here, but there you can see it's actually broken off. That's what's causing our noise there. Okay, that's what the new tensioner looks like, and the new chain. So on the chain, what I like to do is I put my own reference marks onto the chain, so that when we're installing the new one, our timing is dead on where it was. So basically I've marked the chain and the gears at those 2 points there. So when I transfer that over to the new one, to the new chain, it will be the exact same as that one. So all I do is I take the old chain, put it next to the new one, and then I just transfer my mark over to the new one, like that. Then we'll be dead on, because although we are using the correct timing tool, we can't that timing tool does have a bit of play in it. So I'll show you back on the car. Got my timing tool in, but there is still a bit of play in here, so that can really screw you off. It turns about a tooth. So with the timing being off a tooth, you might not get any warning lights on the dash, or even any fault code on the system, but the car will be extremely slow to drive, very, very sluggish. Now the new timing chain is in. These were the reference marks that I was referring to earlier that I made, just to get the chain in the exact same position that it was previously. Let's give it a start, and yeah, if we've won. Okay, idle is just above 900-ish RPM. Let's check now. Rowdiness is gone. Check again. I think perfect again. Okay, so there we are. We just to recap, we changed the timing chain kit. That is a timing chain and a tensioner, as well as a cam follower for the fuel pump, and then we also changed the engine speed sensor for the high idling. Thank you for watching.